So 30 years is a long time to be in accounting, bookkeeping and tax. So what are the biggest changes in those years?
Besides grey hair, as you can see. When I started, we were, as accountants, were the point of contact and advice, the sole point of contact for advice for helping business. With do-it-yourself, MYOB, Xero, that has been diluted, where I believe that the value of my professional advice, whether it's accounting, tax, bookkeeping, has been eroded, and that's unfortunate. I really believe that the state of business failures is because not getting the right advice. Google Accounting, ChatGPT, it reflects the mismatch between paying for good value investment of advice or just doing it yourself to save money. In the end, you lose if you don't get the right advice. That's the first one. The second one is data movement, 24/7. I remember when you worked a normal day and the event of the data was transacted within, say, a 10-hour day. Now you've got to be on top of that. That's why I mentioned previously about software, setting it up correctly, getting your tech right. The third one is a relaxing of intensity of accuracy. In 1986, so I remember it, 87, self-assessment came in. So before that time, when you lodged a tax return for business, it was actually assessed and checked. So you actually got an assessment. Now, self-assessment means that you have to basically get it right. Sure, there's Section 286 of the Corporations Law that requires you to make your accounts accurate. But, if you're not pushed to get it right up front, to get an assessment, then you're not really have that as a primary focus. The other one too is GST and BAS. Like, even though GST is tax, at least what that made happen was that at least the business could do a set of accounts quarterly to match the BAS. And I think that was a bit of a help for businesses.
Okay.